10 Gold IRA Rollover Benefits. Planning for retirement can feel overwhelming, especially when markets are unpredictable. That's why many investors explore Gold IRA Rollover benefits as a way to protect and grow their savings. A Gold IRA Rollover allows you to move funds from a traditional retirement account into one backed by physical gold. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here are 10 simple reasons why it's worth considering. 1. Protection from market volatility. Gold often holds its value when stocks fall, helping protect your savings during uncertain times. 2. Better diversification. Adding gold to your portfolio reduces risk by spreading investments beyond stocks and bonds. 3. Hedge against inflation. Gold has historically maintained its value, helping preserve your purchasing power as prices rise. 4. Tax advantages. A Gold IRA rollover can offer tax-deferred growth, similar to other retirement accounts. 5. Long-term growth potential. Gold tends to increase in value over time, making it a solid long-term investment. 6. Stability during crises. In economic downturns or financial crises, gold often performs more steadily than other assets. 7. Strong retirement security. Including gold in your IRA can help create a more balanced and secure retirement plan. 8. Increased privacy. Gold investments can offer a level of financial privacy compared to some traditional assets. 9. Protection from global risks. Gold is less affected by political or economic instability, making it a reliable safeguard. 10. Easy wealth transfer. Gold IRAs can be passed on to heirs, helping you build a lasting financial legacy. Understanding Gold IRA rollover benefits can help you make smarter decisions for your future. By combining stability, diversification, and long-term value, a Gold IRA rollover can be a powerful tool for retirement planning. If you're looking to protect your wealth and reduce risk, this strategy may be worth exploring. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.